So to reset the oil service light on this vehicle or any other service parts such as the braking or whatever it is, hit the BC till you kind of get rid of this here. There we are, so you're on this section, and then hold on to the BC and this trip here. Hold on to it for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then there we are. And it says reset not possible because that's got the latest, well, that's just being reset now. And if you flick through it with this, it says reset possible. So what we'll do, we'll reset this for now so you can see what it's like. Hold on to the trip button for about a few seconds. It says perform reset, that's just to confirm, and you say yes by holding on to it again. There we are, just keep on holding on to it, and then it's reset. It says reset successful. And then if you want to reset anything else, you just kind of flick through it till you get, so it says reset possible. We'll also reset this, hold on to it, reset. I'll let go quite quickly. It says reset not possible, that's why it's 2023. But yeah, that's the way to reset it.